subscribe with notifications on.
Cynthia,
You'll see this
How are
video
you?
again after 10 years.
how are you? I want to know why are South Africans, sorry, I want to know from you, are foreigners safe in South Africa?
Yeah, they are safe if they keep them safe.
Are they safe?
They must stop taking people's girlfriend.
Aibo,
Sweat themselves.
but you also have a foreigner as a
But I'm
boy,
not someone's
as a
boyfriend.
husband.
I choose foreigner. I was not someone's boyfriend outside, like I have a father of the child that is Khoza or something.
Aibo.
So you chose a foreigner, but you're a South African.
So you mean, Mama Benny, if I have a child with someone who's closer out there, I shouldn't take a foreigner?
You can take part like as like it's cheating the
Cheating.
Yeah,
Oh.
someone that have someone you see and then Khoza or stuff like that. They will not end up.
But now tell me, what's so special about foreigners?
Hey.
Why so special about foreigners? Why our South African
Whoa.
women always?
You're making a throw in the bread.
No, I want to know, guys, I want to know what's so special about foreigners. Why our South African guys, South African women, love to date our foreigners? Why?
Why us foreigners?
Why South African girls like dating foreigners?
Yeah, Khosas, they are rude. Khoza men, they are very rude. And
Vele.
most of them, they like to share 4 women, 3 women, and then you fighting each other, women, and then you see you sleeping now.
Wow.
Other women knocks, and then
So you say
they make them players.
So South Africans like sharing a lot of women.
Yeah, you sleeping with him, you know there's other woman knock to the house, there's other one knock.
And on top of that, banana pipi nyani.
I'm not talking about PP now, you see.
Yeah, now, so tell me something. So you're saying, okay, so when you are saying in bed, they are foreigners.
Bona, Khoza men, guys, I'm talking out of experience. First of all, Khoza men basile. And besile nje banadi pipi nyani.
No, it's not true.
It's not true.
Basile ewe. The pipi vile.
Hayi kaloku mntazi.
Heavy pipi encinci. So you make them like ema foreigner nama pipi mangathi uma.
No. Mdaze, I am talking out of experience. Out of my own experience.
Our foreigner boyfriend they have a pipi until.
No.
Mdaze.
But kaloku I'm talking out of experience, Mdaze. I dated a Khoza guy, mna. If you are watching, yeah, you know yourself.
That guy was a nyane.
Yeah, exactly. If you are, guys. If you are watching this video and you know that I'm talking about you, that Khoza guy who was dating me, that I was dating, Buti, Mna, I never knew but your pipi was small until I met a foreigner.
There is a drama.
So, Marjorie, what are you saying, my brother? What are you saying, my brother?
No comment.
No comment.
You never know that.
I never knew.
I want to know.
And he was also a veteran broker for you, remember?
So
Tell him.
I really never know.
I never knew. Serious.
Guys, today we are hearing the truth. You know, these are 2 South African women. They are now spilling the beans. They are saying the problem about South Africans is that
Basile, because Navele, I did not know about Pipia Haenyan. You understand?
What is the meaning
I didn't
of Usile?
Listen, Basile, you.
What is Usile? What is Ugeze in English? What is
rude?
Ugeze?
They are very rude. I think that's the right word. They are very rude.
Khoza guys are very rude.
They are very, very rude. And you know what?
We don't say all of you 100.
We are talking out of. We are talking out of.
rude. rude.
They are
Very
very
rude.
rude.
10%, yeah, they are
So,
nice.
so,
one,
so
10%.
guys, Khoza guys, if you are Khoza, please try to improve, guys. Try to improve is important. Girls are complaining. Sometimes you might not, you might not hear them talking about you guys.
But
telling you
now
the
we are
truth.
telling the truth, what we know. We're talking our personal experience, guys.
Uh-huh.
This Khoza guy now I dated, if you are watching, I'm talking about you. If you are watching, I'm talking about you.
So they're basile, they are rude.
You know, Basile is not enough. They are very, 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 very rude. They've got big mouth. That's the other thing. Ne? They've got big mouth. That's the other thing.
And the pattern bafaza.
Bangabafazi.
Oh, they're like women.
Normally ndithobile and Ashman, get out of me.
Majerik, Majerik, are you hearing this, my brother? Before you met the South African woman, have you dated a foreigner, another African lady before you met a South African woman?
Obviously.
Did you?
Yeah.
Compared to South African women.
Obviously, because it's not a South African. So
Okay.
obviously he wants dating.
Where are you from? Are you from Congo?
From home,
Yeah.
Or from Congo? Now, okay, so it's Congolese and it's South African. And you see, this woman, she's saying she prefers him because he's a Congolese. And him saying he prefers a South African woman. Why don't you prefer your own Congolese woman? Why?
I'm in South Africa. How can I'm not in Congo.
But now, what if?
I mean, I live in South Africa, so I must. Okay, it's not a must, but.
Yeah, but now what I'm saying, why didn't you think that maybe perhaps you can date your own Congolese woman? Why did you come to why did you prefer to date South African women?
Yeah, South African women
Are better.
Better is too much saying, but they are
They are better.
yeah.
Better than Congolese women.
No.
What can I say?
Be honest, say.
Okay, South African women, they are beautiful.
Oh, they are beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful and they're nice. Yeah, they are better. They're
Guys,
better. They are better than guys. Yeah.
They are better than the Congolese women out there. It seems as if you are doubting. What would you say?
No,
Yeah.
I'm not doubting.
But
they are not. There's no woman are better than others. No?
There's no woman who's better than others.
Yeah.
So what are you
But
saying? What are you saying? You're not being.
Kalogu,
You're not
we're
being.
talking here out of experience.
Yeah.
You see how honest I was?
Yeah, you're not being
We're talking
straightforward.
out of experience here.
Yeah. So tell me, you are saying South African women are better than Congolese women, or you saying because of South African women are beautiful, based on their manners, who would you prefer, South African women or Congolese?
That question. It's a difficult question.
No.
But
Okay.
the thing is, I'm not in Congo. I'm in South Africa. So
You date with me for how many years?
I'm in South Africa.
Yeah.
So
So you okay? So your life now, your life. How many years have you been in South Africa now?
many years now.
How many years?
More than 10.
More than 10.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
What if we can meet up with a South African, with a Congolese lady in South Africa who is so beautiful? That means he will date the Congolese, because it seems like he's dating a South African because he doesn't have a choice.
So what if you meet a Congolese woman who's more beautiful than?
Actually, it's not about choice. If I'm in China, I must get a China. If I'm in Europe, I must get a
European woman.
European woman. That's how things work.
Ah.
I can't. For example, like me in South Africa, then dating a Congolese doesn't make any sense. Or dating a Zimbabwean
But they are Congolese in South Africa.
Doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense.
Because
But now,